ElevenLabs just released an amazing new feature. It can actually look at the pixels in a video clip and build a custom soundtrack out of thin air. Let's dive in. We will watch the silent version first so you can see the bass line. To generate the AI music, you go to Music in the menu, select the video icon, and upload the video. For this test, you can take the default description if it is appropriate, which is what we did here. I wanted to see if the music tool could make real sound effects like a train whistle or a big splash just from that text prompt. But here's the catch. The music tool only makes musical sounds, so it missed the actual sound of the water. To fix this, I had to use the separate sound effects tab, make the real sounds, and drop them in by hand. Here's the difference between the pure AI music and the improved version. Finally, just click the export button to download the file to your PC. Our second test uses a spooky clip from the classic horror movie Nosferatu. Once again, we will watch the silent version first. This clip has a big trap for the AI, a shot with absolutely zero movement for 7 seconds. A weak AI tool might completely stop making sound when nothing on screen is moving. Let's see what happens when we generate the music, if ElevenLabs can keep the spooky mood alive during the dark silence, and if it matches perfectly when the vampire finally stands up. Next, we will look at a second version of the scene where I adjusted the musical soundtrack volume down and added a creaky door effect to make it even creepier. Finally, we are testing a beautiful high-definition video of Earth shot from space. We will start with the silent version first. Since space is completely silent, the AI has to be creative. Finally, I will show you how I separately added a deep space drone sound effect. This will show you exactly how layering the music and the background noise creates a full modern mix. So what is the final verdict? Right now, you cannot just click one button and get a perfect movie soundtrack with special effects from AI. The real power is using it to make pieces of your project. Let the AI write the music, use the sound effects tool for the raw background noises, and put it all together yourself in your video editor. It turns video editing into a team effort between you and the AI. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you next time.